Welcome to the African History Channel. Discover the rich and untold stories of Africa, from ancient civilizations to modern movements. We dive deep into the heritage that shaped the continent. If you love learning about African history, culture, and influential figures, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Let's explore Africa's history together. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast, uncharted wilderness. The air is crisp and cool, filled with the sounds of rustling leaves and distant animal calls. This is not just any wilderness. It's the world as our ancestors knew it, a place where survival depended on skill, intuition, and community. Today, let's take a journey back in time to explore the early human migrations and the hunter-gatherer societies that shaped the very fabric of our existence. Around 200,000 years ago, our species, Homo sapiens, has just emerged in Africa. We're not the only hominins on the scene. Neanderthals, Denisovans, and other relatives are roaming the earth, each adapting to their environments in unique ways. But Homo sapiens, with our advanced cognitive abilities, are about to embark on a journey that will change the course of history. We are curious, innovative, and most importantly, social beings. We thrive in groups, relying on each other for survival. As we begin to migrate out of Africa, we're not just walking, we're carrying knowledge, culture, and a deep-seated curiosity about the world. Imagine the first group of humans stepping into the unknown, crossing the Red Sea into the Arabian Peninsula. They are driven by the need for food, safety, and perhaps a little wanderlust. This is the first great migration, and it's a testament to our species' resilience and adaptability. These early humans are hunter-gatherers, a lifestyle that might seem primitive to us today, but it's a highly sophisticated way of life. They're not just wandering aimlessly, they're keen observers of their environment. They understand the seasons, the behavior of animals, and the growth patterns of plants. Each day is a new adventure, filled with the thrill of the hunt or the satisfaction of foraging for edible roots, berries, and nuts. It's a life of constant movement, but also one of deep connection to the land. Now, let's dive into what it means to be a hunter-gatherer. Picture a small band of people, perhaps 20 or 30 individuals, working together as a cohesive unit. They share everything: food, knowledge, and responsibilities. There's no concept of ownership in the way we understand it today. Instead, it's about communal living, where every member contributes to the well-being of the group. This cooperation fosters strong social bonds, and you can almost hear the laughter and chatter as they gather around a fire, sharing stories of their day's adventures. But life isn't just about the hunt. It's also about the intricate web of relationships that form within these societies. They have their own systems of communication, passing down knowledge from one generation to the next. They create art, as evidenced by the stunning cave paintings found across Europe, depicting animals and hunting scenes. These images are not just decoration, they're a way to convey stories, beliefs, and perhaps even rituals that bind the community together. As we travel through this period, we see how these hunter-gatherer societies adapt to their environments. In the Arctic, they develop techniques for hunting seals and whales, mastering the use of tools made from bone and stone. In the lush forests of Europe, they gather a bounty of fruits and nuts, while in the plains of Africa, they become expert trackers, following herds of game across vast distances. Each group is a reflection of its surroundings, an embodiment of the relationship between humans and nature. But let's not romanticize this life too much. The hunter-gatherer existence is fraught with challenges. Food scarcity can lead to conflict, and harsh weather conditions can threaten survival. There are no grocery stores or safety nets. Every day is a test of ingenuity and perseverance. Yet, it's this very struggle that shapes the human experience, fostering resilience and creativity. As we move further into the timeline, around 10,000 years ago, we see a significant shift. The last ice age is coming to an end, and the world is changing. With this change comes the domestication of plants and animals, leading to the rise of agriculture. This is a pivotal moment in human history, marking the transition from a nomadic lifestyle to settled farming communities. It's a double-edged sword. While agriculture allows for population growth and the development of complex societies, It also brings new challenges, such as social hierarchies and resource competition. Imagine the moment when early humans decide to plant seeds instead of foraging for food. It's a gamble, but one that pays off. They start to form permanent settlements, leading to the rise of villages and eventually cities. This transition alters the dynamics of human relationships, creating new forms of social organization and governance. The hunter-gatherer way of life begins to fade, but the legacy of those early societies remains deeply embedded in our DNA. So, what can we learn from these early human migrations and hunter-gatherer societies? First, there's the importance of community. Our ancestors understood that survival depended on cooperation and shared knowledge. In today's fast-paced world, we can sometimes lose sight of that. Building strong relationships and supporting one another is just as vital now as it was then. Second, there's the connection to nature. Early humans lived in harmony with their environment, respecting the land and its resources. In an age of climate change and environmental degradation, we must remember that our well-being is intertwined with the health of our planet. Finally, there's the spirit of exploration and curiosity. Our ancestors ventured into the unknown, driven by a desire to learn and adapt. We, too, should embrace that spirit, seeking new experiences and understanding in our ever-changing world. As we reflect on the journey of Homo sapiens, let's carry forward the lessons of our past, honoring the resilience, creativity, and interconnectedness that define us as a species. The story of humanity is not just about survival, it's about thriving together, navigating the complexities of life with curiosity and compassion. If you love learning about African history, culture, and influential figures, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.